So guys, I just received an alert that there are people out there who are using my picture as their profile to their business, and they're busy scamming people out. So be aware that that's not me. I'm not the one who's selling those chickens that they say they're selling. I'm not the one who's selling those chicks, because I saw even their prices, they're dodgy. So guys, be aware, it's not Makwala Agri, it's not me. There are just some people who trying to use my name in the bad way. There are people trying to use my picture in a bad way. That's not Makwala Agri, that's not me. And this really actually freaked me out now, because I never thought there will be a single day where I have to do a video trying to clear my name to the people, that people are busy using my profile, my picture to scam people. This is sad, man. And I'm sad because I received this on TikTok from this lady was asking me if really know these people or am I that person. It's not me, guys, it's not me. Please don't fall into the victim of scammers. People are using my name now, and yo, it's bad, man.